I'm excited to write a viral script for you. Here is the script. 3 reasons why you need to try this rapid electric food steamer review. Are you tired of overcooking your vegetables and wasting time on cooking? But here's what surprised me. I recently stumbled upon the rapid electric food steamer, and it has changed the game for me. For the best price, click the link in the description. I was skeptical at first, but this thing is a beast. It's not just any ordinary steamer, it's a rapid electric food steamer that can cook your food up to 70% faster than traditional methods. But what really blew my mind was how easy it is to use. Simply add water, place your food in the basket, and voila, your meal is ready. But don't just take my word for it. Let's dive deeper into this product and see why I'm obsessed with it. The rapid electric food steamer comes with a 3-tier steaming basket, perfect for cooking multiple meals at once. But what really sets it apart from other steamers on the market is its rapid heating technology. Therefore, you can cook your food in as little as 3 to 4 minutes. That's faster than microwaving and without losing any of that precious nutrients. I mean, who doesn't love a good quick meal? But seriously, this thing is amazing. And don't even get me started on the health benefits. Let's talk about why you need to try this steamer. Firstly, it's incredibly easy to clean. Simply wipe down the basket and the device itself with a damp cloth and you're good to go. No more scrubbing away at stubborn stains like I used to do with my old steamer. Secondly, it's so versatile. You can use it to cook anything from vegetables to seafood to even meat. And don't worry about overcooking your food. The rapid electric food steamer comes with a built-in timer that lets you know when your meal is ready. Lastly, it's incredibly affordable. I mean, this thing costs less than most other steamers on the market, and yet it performs like a high-end device. But don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the customer reviews. But what really surprised me was how well it cooked even the toughest vegetables. I'm talking about Brussels sprouts here, you know, those little green things that are notoriously hard to cook. Yeah, this thing made them tender and delicious in just 4 minutes. Therefore, if you're looking for a quick, easy, and healthy meal solution, look no further than the rapid electric food steamer. And don't forget, for the best price, click the link in the description. But seriously though, have you ever tried to cook with one of those old-school steaming baskets? Yeah, it's like trying to cook a frozen pizza in a toaster. Not exactly the most efficient way to go about it. But this thing is different. It's a game changer. So why are you still reading this? Go get your rapid electric food steamer now and start cooking up some amazing meals in no time. And don't forget, for the best price, click the link in the description. But let me ask you, have you ever had to spend an hour in the kitchen just trying to cook a simple meal? Yeah, I've been there too, but not with this thing. This thing is like having your own personal chef at home minus the fancy degree and hefty price tag. Therefore, if you're tired of slaving away in the kitchen all day, get yourself the rapid electric food steamer. Your taste buds and your schedule will thank you, but don't just take my word for it. Let's look at some of the customer reviews. I was skeptical at first, but this thing has been a game changer in my kitchen. Emily R. I've tried other steamers before, but none compare to this one. It's so easy to use and clean. David K. I'm obsessed with this thing. I cook everything from vegetables to seafood to meat. Sarah T. Therefore, don't wait any longer. Get your rapid electric food steamer today and start cooking up some amazing meals in no time. And that's a wrap, folks. If you're looking for the best price on Amazon, click the link in the description. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.